In our last class, we discussed about the preparation of amines and we have seen the different methods of preparation of amines. In our today's lesson, we'll see chemical reactions of amines. So the first reaction we are going to see is basic character of amines. Amine shows basic character, and the basic character comes from the lone pair of electron that is present on the nitrogen atom. Because according to the definition of base, it tells us if an atom can donate a lone pair of electron, it will act as a base. So similar thing happens in amines, so it will act as a base. So amines, being basic in nature, react with acid to form salt. So as we know, when acid react with base, salt and water is produced. So over here, if you take an alkyl amine and react with hydrogen halide, then this lone pair will be donated to hydrogen and it will form the salt. Similarly, it will take place with aniline as well. Aminobenzene have a lone pair of electrons. It will donate a lone pair of electron to H plus and it will form ammonium, anilinium chloride. Okay, so that means the amine shows basic characters. They have got the tendency to donate lone pair of electron. The second reaction is alkylation. Alkylation means addition of alkyl group to amines. So let us take an example. We have taken ethylamine. Now ethylamine, when react with ethyl bromide, one of these hydrogen will be replaced by this alkyl group, and that hydrogen will go with Br to form HBr. In a second step, if you take this is primary, as we know. This is secondary amine. This secondary amine, if you treat with one more molecule of alkyl halide, it will replace one more hydrogen and it will form tertiary amine, and further will give you quaternary ammonium bromide. Okay, this is the alkylation. That means in each step you can see there is addition of alkyl group. Next, acylation. Similarly as alkylation, we have got acylation. In this we have got the addition of acetal group. So let us take an example. We have taken an example of ethylamine and acetyl chloride. Now in this case, what will happen? This H and Cl will be removed as HCl, whereas this nitrogen will form a direct bond with this carbon, which will give an amide bond formation, we can say, and the name of this compound is N-ethyl ethanamide. Okay, similarly this is with the primary amine, it will give this one. If you take a secondary one, here also we have got one hydrogen atom which can be replaced with this chlorine atom, and it can form N-diethyl ethanamide. Okay, so this is the acylation reaction. Next we have got a reaction with nitrous acid. Now let us see how the reaction takes place. Primary aliphatic amines react with nitrous acid to form aliphatic diazonium salt. It is going to form a diazonium salt which being unstable. So when primary amines react with nitrous acid, which you get from sodium nitrate and HCl, by the reaction of these two you will get this one. It will form a diazonium salt which is a very unstable compound, and it will liberate nitrogen gas and alcohol. Okay, so this is the reaction of amines with nitrous acid. Next reaction, we have got very important naming reaction, that is carbolamine reaction. If you remember this reaction, we have studied this in the first chapter of organic chemistry, alkyl halides and aryl halides, in the reaction of chloroform. Okay, so once again the same reaction has been repeated over here. So in this, if you have got aliphatic amines or aromatic amines, when treated with chloroform in presence of alcoholic KOH, it is going to form an isocyanide compound which has a very bad, unpleasant smell, we can say, or we call foul smelling substances. Okay, isocyanide plus KCl plus water. This is known as carbolamine reaction. This is also a test for primary amine, because secondary and tertiary amine does not show this test. Okay, it is also known by a name known as isocyanide test, or we call carbolamine test. Thank you.